Gas chromatographs are frequently used for analyzing a wide variety of hydrocarbon samples, from crude oil to refined fractions. Helium is the most commonly used carrier gas because it provides fast analyses and high chromatographic efficiency. However, because of recent price hikes and supply interruptions, many labs are looking to replace helium. That's why Shimadzu has been exploring method translation from helium to other more cost-effective carrier gases. Nitrogen costs less than helium, making it a possible alternative for carrier gas. However, nitrogen may require longer run times to achieve comparable separations due to its lower ideal flow velocity. Hydrogen is another popular option because it is easily generated in the laboratory from water, making it cheaper than bottled helium. It can also achieve similar separations to helium at higher flow rates, which enables faster analysis times and increased throughput. Using the Nexis GC2030, Shimadzu has translated various methods from helium to hydrogen to assess its efficacy. In these examples, we see comparable resolution and faster run times for a variety of organic molecules using hydrogen carrier gas. But using hydrogen as a carrier gas can lead to safety issues due to its flammability. To address these concerns, Shimadzu offers a hydrogen leak sensor for our GC2030 gas chromatograph to ensure early detection of any potential leaks. If the sensor detects a hydrogen concentration above a certain threshold, an alert is sent to the analyst. Additionally, the instrument will cool down and open a flap on the oven to vent the hydrogen to prevent any accidental ignition. If the hydrogen concentration exceeds 2%, the instrument shuts down completely to provide maximum safety and peace of mind for operators. Changing carrier gas from helium to hydrogen can save your lab thousands of dollars per year, and the hassle of replacing gas cylinders if you use a gas generator. Shimadzu's Nexis GC2030 offers easy transition from helium to hydrogen and provides advanced features that address safety concerns and ensure safe and cost-efficient operation. With a wide range of detectors, sample introduction techniques, and auto-samplers, the Nexis GC2030 can be adapted to nearly any method for your energy and petrochemical analyses. To learn more about the Nexis GC2030 and Shimadzu's wide range of instruments for petrochemical analysis, visit www.refineyourlab.com.
Excellence in science. Shimadzu.